the entire thing happened within the span of like less than 10 seconds. Like it was really, really quick. Which is why like I think nobody could really respond to it. Like in my recollection of what happened, I was in my chair and I think I was resting at that point, but I was belted in, and you could start feeling that the airplane was entering some kind of turbulence. So the plane starts shaking, and at that point, like I just know that okay, well I'm just gonna like huddle in, but like it kept getting worse and worse and worse.
Came on, and thankfully I'm diligent about these things, and if you can see quite on, the plane just dropped, and it was extremely surreal experience. I remember vividly that jet behind me that realised how the severity of it. There was a poor lady with an awful death in the life, but it was incredibly scary experience. Seeing the other people in the flight who had years in it, and there was a person in the corridor who stayed in the aisle, rather, stayed on the aisle whilst we landed.
From London Heathrow to Singapore, encountered sudden extreme turbulence over the Irrawaddy Basin at an altitude of 37,000 feet. The flight had 211 passengers and 18 crew members. The pilot declared a medical emergency and diverted the Boeing 777-300ER aircraft to Bangkok, landing at 3:45 p.m. local time. We are deeply saddened by this incident. It has resulted in one confirmed fatality and multiple injuries. On behalf of Singapore Airlines, I would like to express my deepest condolences to the family and loved ones of the deceased. We are very sorry for the traumatic experience that everyone on board SQ321 went through. Our priority is to render all possible assistance to our passengers and crew members. Singapore Airlines swiftly dispatched a team to Bangkok last night, and they have been helping our colleagues with the support on the ground.